Everyone. So welcome to the Shopify e-commerce design class, and we would be making use of Shopify. So this is what it looks like the first time you're opening shopify.com/ng. So what we'll be doing is to click on the start a free trial now. So we're starting a free trial. We have to sign up, which means that we are signing up. Basically, we want to create a new store. So it has the option of I'm just starting, I'm already selling online or in person. So you can either skip, click on next, or just select the one that you feel that is deemed fit. So let's assume that I'm already selling online. I just want to design an e-commerce store. And then we click on next. Are you already selling through any of this platform? So no, I'm not selling through any of this platform. And then we click on next again. So where would you like to sell an online store, an existing? So you can pick as many as you like. So online marketplaces, social media, and all. So, what do you plan to sell first? Products I buy or make myself. People sell drop shipping products where you want to source from the third party, print on demand products, digital products, services, and lots more. So let's just assume is a product I buy or make or ship by myself, and then we click on next. So where will your business be located? Nigeria. We'll click on next. And then we need to sign up with an email account. So I created an email account for the purpose of this class, and then that is what I would be using for this particular step. So right now I'm going to use this particular email, and then I'm going to create my password. So I just want to view if this password is strong or not. So I'm creating a Shopify account. So welcome to the best converting checkout on the internet, and it's absolutely the best. Some of your favorite vendors on Instagram they use Shopify as well, and then I'm just going to save it. So it's generating everything, almost done and all. So we have to wait this particular process is complete. And then we have our admin page on Shopify. So this is what our admin page on Shopify looks like. So extend your free trial and enjoy first month for free. So this is what the Shopify account looks like. So we have home because we don't have any products here, we won't see anything. So the home is where we have like our dashboard, and then we have our orders. This is where we can state our orders. So we have our product, our customers, our contents, the analytics. So when it comes to the product, this is where we can find the products. When we come to the customers, this is where we can find the customers. When we come to the online store point of sale, we can add other details here. So come back to this, but firstly, we want to create our teams. Firstly, we are creating our teams. So we click on online store. When you click on online store, we'll find teams. We find our teams pages. So our teams pages is where we would select the exact theme that we want to use for this particular website. So there are so many themes, honestly. So you can decide to use whichever that one you feel like for the e-commerce. So these are free themes. If we don't like any of these, we can go to the theme store to view more themes. So we're at the team store right now. So this is where we'll be able to find other teams, both paid and unpaid. So these are free teams. These are different free teams. These are the motion. These different ones. This you can see some are paid, some are free. So you can decide to just go along with anyone that is free for the purpose of this class. So let's assume I want to select this particular team. So this is what our website would also look like when we select this particular team. So let's assume we want to go with this particular team. We can read everything that's about it and just try the team. So click on try team, and then it's going to add the team that we've added. So it's refreshing the team that we actually selected. It's refreshing the team that we actually selected. So we selected the refresh team. So so if we want to customize it, we click on customize next. So customize, this is where we add whatever that we need to add to our teams. So this is what our website looks like. Browse our latest products, our featured products. So this is what it would look like when we decide to design it. But now we are coming back. We need to go back to adding our products. So let's assume that I am trying to sell bags. So I assume that the product that you want to sell, for example, you would have their images yet. So I'm going to just try and download some images and then come back to this and then add my images. So I'm doing a fashion store where we sell female wears, we sell male wears, we sell a lot of things. So we sell sunglasses, we sell dresses, we sell gowns. So I'm just going to look for at least different examples so that we will just add it to our website. So I'm just going to save some images that I found on Google. So I assume that if you want to design your website, you would have an image. But for the purpose of this, I don't have an image yet. So I'm just going to download some of the images on Google. So this is our ball dresses. These are ball dresses. So I'm going to download more images of t-shirts as well. I'm going to download images of t-shirts that would use on our website. So we have ball dresses, we have t-shirts. So I'm just trying to ensure that we have varieties on our websites. So these are the t-shirts. These are the t-shirts. When we come down here, I can add jeans and then sunglasses and then we end it there. So we just have like four different categories. So let me save more images of this as well. So we'll add images of sunglasses as well. So let me download one more image of sunglasses and then we start uploading our products. So let's go back to our store, and now let's start adding our products. So the first product that I will be adding is the blue ball gown. So let me add the image so that I can be sure of what it looks like. So upload the image. So after uploading, clicking on upload the image, I'll add the products one after the other. So this is the first product. So this is the black prom dress. Black prom dress. So here, this is where I will write the description of this particular dress. So this is a black prom dress. Anything that's description. This is a black prom dress. And then I'll come back here. Just the description. You can write the times that you have and all. So let's assume the price is 20,000 naira. This is the promo price, and this is the original price, 25,000 naira. So you can decide to add this or not. It's not compulsory. You can decide to add 20,000 or 25,000. So you can decide to just add the 20,000 naira alone. But let's assume we're having a discount on this particular one. I'm going to be adding some other ones that we don't have a discount on. And then we go into the quantity that we have so that it can show the number that we have on our website. So we have 20 pieces. We can add more options like the size and colors and all. But for the purpose of this, I'm not adding this. You can actually add that and all. And then I click on save. So we have our first product over there. So go back to the products, and then you can see our first product has added, we are is active, we have 20 in stocks and all. So the next thing is to add more products. So we need to add more products. So come here, click on add products. Like I said, let me upload the image first so that I can see what is in the image. And then so I can just name this prom dress. Prom dress. So you can just say this is an, just write your description well if you are designing yours. So this is an event slash party dress. And then I'll just go down, and then let's assume this is just, there's no promo, this is just 40,000 naira. That is the original price. And then we have just five in stock. So for this particular one, we have like color red, black, and green. So I can come down here and add this. So available in colors. So black, done. So black, red, green, green. Then I click on done. I can still add another option. I can still add another option, which is the size. So it can be medium, maximum, be medium, I don't know, maximum, or like whatever size that you use, whatever sizing that you use. So you can leave it like that based on colors, based on, so even these colors as well, we can just leave it like this, and then we'll come down. So two variants of each of these, yes, two variants of each of these is what is available, since we have six of it. And then we click on save. So now we have our second product. So If you come to this store right now, if I come to this store that we've created, and then I just refresh our store, and I just refresh our store, so you would see that we now have you'll see that we now have some of the product that we've added. So we now have this which is on sale. We now have our prom dress. We now have all of this here as well. You can see choose options and all. So let me still add like just few more products, and then I'm just going to stop it there. So let's add more products. So let's assume I'm adding a t-shirt now. So upload new. So I think the next image that I have here is actually a t-shirt, and then I click on open. So short sleeve t-shirts, short sleeve t-shirts. So let me come down here and state that the price is 5,000. Then the quantity is, let's assume that we have 100, and then we click on save as well. So let's add another product. Let me add a jean, then I add one other sunglasses, and then we are done. So let me add a jean. So let me come down here and add a jean. So let's assume this jean is 15,000 naira each. And then I'm going to come down here and click on the quantity. If it's 50, and then I click on save. And then lastly, I'll just add one of the sunglasses as well. Let's add another product. So this is sunglasses. Like I said, always ensure that you put like a product description. So let me upload the media. Let me just upload the image of the sunglasses. So this sunglasses is 8,000. Okay, is 8,000. And then we enter 50 pieces, and then we click on save. So if you go to what do they call it? If you come down here, go to this online store again, and then if you want to view it as well, so you go to your teams. So when you are on your team side, this is the website that we are using. So we can just click on customize once again to see what our website currently looks like. So this is what our website currently looks like, and these are all the products that we have. So now, before we come into this once again, before we come into this finally, I want us to go back and create like a collection. So what collection means is that, for example, we have different collections of our brand. We have sunglasses, we have t-shirts, we have all of these things. So we want them to be under a collection, so that all our jeans is under a collection, all our t-shirts is under a collection, all our sunglasses is under a collection. So now we go ahead to go to products, and then I'll go to collections. So I'll go to collection and then create a collection. So let's assume this particular collection is our sunglasses. So it means that when we have like a collection, every of our products that are sunglasses would be here. So let me just add an image of sunglasses to it, and then we'll click on save. So let's create another collection as well. Let's assume jean. These are collection of jeans as well. And then when we come down here, we can add an image. So we can add our image, and then we click on save as well. So we can create another collection which is for the prom dress. So we'll add another image as regards to this. So let's go down, for example. Let's select one of the image of our prom dresses, and then we go on save. And then lastly, we had our t-shirt collection, and then we'll click on save once again. So now that we now have all of these collections, what we now do is to move some of our products to the collection. So I can um I can remove this particular one. It's not one of our collection. I can just delete the collection. So now what we do now is to now go to our product once again, and then this particular prom dress that is here, would click on it, for example. So click on them individually. We'll click on this particular prom dress. Okay, no, let me go back. So go to our collection, for example, and then you click on the particular product, and then you come down here and say add to collections. So we're adding it to the collection of our prom dresses, and then we save it. We'll click on the next one, and then we'll click on these three dots as well and go to add to collections, and then we add this to our jeans collection. So we can have 10 variants of jeans. So these are next prom dresses as well. We'll click on these three dots here, and then go to add to collections, and then go to prom dresses again. So we have two dresses under our prom dress, and then we'll come to the last part. Okay, we still have this short sleeve on our product. So we go to these three dots here as well. We go to add to collections, and then we're adding it to our t-shirt collections, and then we click on save. And then we have the last one, which is this the sunglasses. Let me go back. So this is the sunglasses, and then we go to these three dots here as well, and then click on add to collections, and then we're adding our sunglasses as well, and then we click on save. So now if we come back to our store and then we refresh it once again, we'll go to online store, then teams, and you come to customize. We would see that this is what we can find here. Our store now has different collections. So When people click on it, they can buy our clothing, they can buy our shoes, they can buy all of these things directly. So depending on whatever that they wish to buy at that point, they can buy it. So this is still loading, but this is what our store looks like now. So you can see we have our platform dresses, our jeans. These images are not clear because I just downloaded them on the internet. So we can add like a featured collection now. So we can add, so we'll come here now to add a section, and then this section should be our featured collection. So now it should be our featured collection. So now we'll come here again and just add different section. Okay, so this is our featured collection. These are featured products. These are featured products. So these are featured collection. So this is where we have all our featured this is where we have all our featured collection. So we can decide to stick with it, or we can just decide to remove it as well if we want to. So I don't want this video to be too long. So these are featured products. This is where we have all our products. So as regards to the featured collection, this is where we would, for example, if you want to have all our wristwatch in one place, all our products in one place, this is where we can also create all of those ones as well. So, and then when we are done with our website finally, when we finish adding all our products, we are done adding all our collections as well. All we have to do is to just add as many products as necessary, and then we just publish. But before we publish, let's go back to our settings. So when we go to our settings here, this is where we have our plan. So we have our billings, our everything, our shipping and delivery. This is where you can add your shipping details and delivery. So whatever expected delivery dates, whatever shipping rates for each locations, this is where you can add them. You can add each of the products as well. We also have the domain name. So this website automatically names your domain name as something something.shopify.com. So you can actually edit it, or if you have like a new domain name, you can just buy a new domain name and name it as required that you want to name your website. So let's assume this, I want to rename this particular store. So it's currently called 54b1.com.store. So I can decide to just rename it. So I can decide to just rename it and all. And also, if I come back to my design here as well, I can decide to change all of this. So whichever place I want to change, I'll just click on it. So I want to change this my store to probably another thing. I want to change the name of my store to probably another thing. So this is where I can, this is the logo part. I can decide to edit the logo, the catalog contacts. I can decide to edit exactly what I want to have in every of these places. So this is a header. I can decide. So if I want to have another picture in this background here, I can decide and just select another image. Probably I just want any of this image to be there, and then I'll just click on it. I'll just click on it here and just save it. So that is what I want to be there. So I can also allow you to browse our latest products so that you can shop all. So when we come to this shop all, it takes you to all our products that you can shop automatically. So once I'm done adding all of these things, the next thing we need to do is to just save. The next thing is to just save, and then we want to, before we save, I want to view, this is the desktop mode. So I want to view my website, what it will look like on a phone as well. So this is what it looks like, and then I click on publish. So I click on publish, and then I'll be able to see what my website looks like at the end of the day. So I have my website now. I've published the website. So if I want to go there, I can just go to my store to just view it. So I'm going to click on view my store right now. And this is exactly what it looks like. This is exactly what it looks like. I have all the pictures of my images. I have the subscribe email. And okay, sorry, I was not sharing the screen. So this is what my website looks like. So I have all the images of my products. I have everything. And then that is all. So that is all about designing a basic e-commerce website. If you like to learn more, you can actually send me an email, but this is just the basic. So that is all for now, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.